Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing us how to mine a whole lot of USDT straight to your wallet address. So all you have to do is just to watch this video to the very end, guys, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to it, if you are new to this YouTube channel. All right guys, this site you're going to work on is called the Green Hornet. As you can see it at the interface here. So all you have to do is to click the link at the description. Once you click the link and the description right now, it will take you at this point where you have to sign up by putting your username, your email, your password. You repeat your password, click on this small button that said agree terms, then you click I'm not a robot and you click on register, and that's it instantly. So right now I'm going to log into this dashboard and I'll show you how the dashboard works. You understand how this site works? This site is good and legit, so you have to queue in and watch this video to the very end. All right, now so I'll just click that I'm not a robot now. So once I'm done with I'm not a robot, I'm signing up to this site and I'll be showing you once how to earn from this site. So this site, okay, let me just complete this capture here. They say I should select a crosswalk, so I'll just go ahead to do that right now. You understand? Just go ahead to select it. So once there's no crosswalk, I'll click on verify. You understand? Okay, right now there's choose buses. So I'm done with buses, so let's just okay. Right now just complete it. I'll just click on login. You understand? So they are giving you free $4.5 mining power once you sign up to this site. So this enable you mines free from this site, man. That site, that's really awesome. So as you can see, I'm having 64 VH per second. So once you sign up, they'll be giving you 450 VH per second worth of mining power. So right now this is the site where you have to start mining for free. Understand? So the first thing you have to do is to scroll up or select the coins you want to mine. Like this is Bitcoin coins here. So once you scroll up, you'll be seeing many other coins over here, many other cryptocurrency over here, which you can also go ahead to select the one your coins of your choice. But for the interest of this video, we'll be mining. Okay, this is Litecoin. This there are many coins here. So for the interest of this video, I'll be selecting the USDT. As you can see here, so far this is my USDT mining. So I've gotten like 2.3224 out of USDT from this site just for mining for free. You understand? So you can go ahead to do so. You understand? So what you just have to do is just to select the coins you want to mine. Like this, I want to mine this one. Actually I'm mining this one. So I'll just look at how the slider is. As you can see, other coins already. So just drag it to the percentage you want to mine. You understand? So like now I'm just taking it to the percentage. As I'm dragging it, you see the percentage is increasing. So I'll just take it to 100%, so that I'll mine on the full speed rate of this particular coins. But in the process where I want to mine like two different coins, so what I would have to do is just to drag the slider to a particular percentage. Maybe let's say, let me leave this one at 70%. All right, so it's at 70% right now, so remaining percent should be 30% to make it 100%. So I can just go ahead, select any other coins so far and drag that coins to 30% of. Okay, let's take this one for example. I can now move this one to 30% and allow it to mine for me. I can now move it on to 30% and allow it to mine for me. As you can see now, this one is 30% and it's mining instantly. So that's just how the site works. You understand? So that's just the process you have to follow and you are good to go. But it's always advisable to mine one particular coin. So right now I'm taking this slider back and completing this my USDT to 100%, so I can mine a full mining power from this coin. So guys, that's how the site goes. So very easy and fast mining. You understand? So that's just how to go about it. So right now I will go ahead to show you how to get your link, your referral link, because that's another way you can increase your mining power. Share your referral link and you get increase in mining power. So I'll show you how to copy your own referral link and start mining and getting a free mining power also. So at this point, what you have to do is to click at this three dotted dash here. You see your affiliate here. So once you just click on the affiliate, it will take you to where you get your referral link. So with that referral link, you can go ahead and start inviting some friends over. So you just have to click on copy. When you click on copy, you're copying it directly to your copy it and share to your friends. So that's just a simple way about it, guys. So it's very easy and fast in mining. So guys, so you can see you get 15% for level 1 referral. So that's very huge amount. So go ahead and start mining from this side. All right, guys. Let's show you the minimum withdrawal of depending on the cryptocurrency you wish to. So look at the questions and answer here. So right now, I was just interested in the minimum withdrawal here. What is the minimum withdrawal? Okay, look at it here. Just at this point, to be seeing the different minimum withdrawal of any coins, like the Bitcoin here, you're having 0.005, 1.2.85,000 Shiba, 0.26 Ethereum, 20 ADA, and so forth and so on. Then for the USDT we are mining, we are having 10 USDT. So once you have 10 USDT, you can place your withdrawal, guys. All right, guys. So that's this for the video. If you find value in this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel, you understand, and make sure you take action immediately. This site is actually free, so you can go ahead and start mining. All right, guys. See you guys in my next video.